Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to erase your iPad without Apple ID and password. So if you're trying to erase your iPhone but it's asking for your Apple ID password which you don't have, if you click on erase, enter your iPhone passcode and then simply click on skip backup. Now as you can see, you're not able to reset your iPad or erase your iPad because it's asking for your Apple ID password. And if you go to iCloud section, and as you can see, the Find My iPad is enabled. So if it's enabled, you will not be able to like factory reset or erase your iPad. So let me show you without this how you can erase your iPad. So before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. To erase your iPad, click on General, then scroll down, click on it, click on Erase. Now just simply click on Continue, enter your passcode, and then once you are here on this page where it's asking for your Apple ID password, simply click on it. So don't worry, you will not getting any verification code on the phone number or email address. Simply when you click on Forget Password, it will ask for you to enter your iPad passcode again. And once you have entered the passcode, now you have a chance to change your Apple ID password. Now you can change your Apple ID password. Let me change it. So as you can see, your password has been changed. So once the password is changed, now you can just go back and click on your iCloud, click on Find My, and then simply turn off the Find My iPad. So once it's turned off Find My iPad, then you can go back to General, click on Transfer Reset iPad, click on Erase. Now click on Continue. Now this time you will be able to restore your iPad without asking for your Apple ID password. So as you can see, now are you sure you want to erase all media content and setting? This cannot be undone. So that means now you can erase your iPad. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.